Today's video, we're gonna be trying all types of snacks that I never tried before. Wow! At the end, we have the sour pickle. These are called turbos, guys. And I like spicy food, so I'm already gonna start to rate. Oh, and one more thing I forgot. We're gonna rate these snacks. Oh my god, guys, look at it, the inside. There's like a lot. They're like so cool. Guys, look. They look like little pastas, right? Boom. 9 out of 10, almost 10 out of 10. 9 out of 10. But what I like the most is 10 out of 10. Go buy these, guys. These are fired. Kind of like y'all colors. I have one more because they literally taste like Takis. What should I try next, guys? One reason is my man is telling me to do the pickles. I really don't. How dare you guys? Guys, my mom's gonna open it for me. A pickle and a pouch. Hot mama. So, guys, it's like kind of red. Okay, guys, I do not want to try this. The pickle's escaping. One out of 10. Too sour than the other pickles we have at home. Actually, 5 out of 10. Wow! I kind of like sour, guys. By the way, you can find all of these at $5. What should I try next? Beef jerky or this little pizza thing? I don't know. Just like that. As you know, I already said the name, beef jerky. Look, like, see, it has a perchile right there. Smell it, guys. No, it smells. These might be mine because 10 out of 10. What? Some of you in the comments are saying that I should eat the whole pickle because you already know I didn't.
Nope.
Fine. This is the last one. It's called baked pencil pizza. This. Actually, when I'm trying to lick it, it tastes good.